everyone,
I'm Jane.
I'm Daisy. We have prepared a series video to showcase some new and popular products.
So what's our topic today?
These adapters right in front of you. Let's play the Q&A game.
So let's see how much you know about these adapters.
Okay, this one is Type 2 to GBT adapter. It could light your GBT car charging on the Type 2 standard station.
Oh, it's a good news for GBT car owners. How about this one?
This one is the GBT to Type 2 adapter. It lights the Type 2 standard car charging on the GBT standard station.
Oh, I see.
And this one is the Tesla to GBT adapter. It could light the GBT car charging on the Tesla standard station.
How about this one?
Okay, this one is Tesla to Type 1 adapter. It could light your Type 1 car charging on the Tesla standard station.
Oh, Daisy, I found these two products are different from these. What do you use for?
Okay, this one is our new models, and this is the Type 2 P2L adapter. They have the output socket. It could discharging on the public charging station and charge to your e-motor or e-bikes. And this model is the Type 2 V2L adapter, perfect compatible with the BYD cars, the Lynk cars, and the NAMI cars. So all of our adapters support to print your logo on the body and without MOQ requirements. If there have any interest, please feel free to contact with us. See you!